Hello, I'm Dr. Tom Walla, and welcome to the Biology 101 and 101 Lab Online. This is one of my favorite courses to teach. I like it because it gives students an opportunity to access our essential learning curriculum with the flexibility that lets them keep working, stay with their kids, get a head start on their undergraduate education, or finish it up from wherever they might be, and of course protect themselves from COVID-19 exposure. So welcome to class. Let me tell you a little bit about the structure of the course. The course has an ebook. The ebook comes with your, when you signed up for the course, you automatically get that access to McGraw-Hill's Connect. And there'll be a link in the D2L site here, just below this folder, where you can find your link to them, and then you register with them, and then you have your own textbook. You can access it from anywhere. The great thing about that is you have it immediately, and you have it everywhere you are. So that's really nice. The next thing about it is that a lot of the work in this class is reading the textbook's chapters and using the McGraw-Hill Connect quizzes and practice readings. So what you'll see are an entire website that will have practice quizzes that you can take as many times as you want. And we'll also have this Learn Smart reading that actually asks you questions as you read the text. And you need to do one of those two things to successfully complete each chapter. You may do both of them. My requirement is that you either do the Learn Smarts or you do the practice quizzes, and you pass one of them for each chapter. And then at the end of the course, you will have done 15 different chapters. Actually, I think there's only 14 chapters because one's a double. And then you will get full credit for the quizzes, which is actually a lot of points. That's like 400 points in this class. It's perfect score. So all you have to do is one of each of them. And you can even skip 3 if you want, because I recognize some people actually do all of them except for 1 or 2. And I'm like, okay, that's okay. I wouldn't recommend it because it's going to be hard to pass the exam, but I will still give you the points. So that's how you get 400 points. And then the other 200 point exams, there are 3 of those, and there's one for each different unit of the class. So we have 3 major units. So it's basically 5 chapters and then an exam, 5 chapters and an exam, 5 chapters and an exam, and you're all set. This class has due dates for the first portion of the class, the first unit, and that will be due before spring break. And you can check D2L to get the specific dates. After that, the next due date will be the end of the semester. That is to allow you flexibility so that you can achieve this class when you have problems and don't have problems. When you have time, do it early. When you don't, do it late. But you got to have it all done by May 15th when it all wraps up on the Sunday before finals week. And that will be the end of the class. If something disrupts your life in the middle of this, please let me know. I'm not unreasonable, and I can try to help you out in ways with due dates in the event that you have a major change in your life in some way that was not foreseeable. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the class. That's the structure, and it's all in D2L, so enjoy.